boom, double million killer, 100% for Bright as Day One YouTube channel.
Yeah.
My sister YouTube channel, no?
Yeah.
Fish. La la.
Period.
La la.
I'm coming home. It's a holiday, America can't hold me now. Christmas a J.A., what a happy crowd. Where the dance them, the from country come a town. I'm coming home. It's a holiday.
Yeah, guys. So current just gone. The place hot. Like, I feel like me I burn up.
Yeah, guys. Me there.
Yeah, current gone, like I said, the place we're trying to go a river, but mama gone with the van and river that far, so we probably just chill until they come back. Also, we have a grave digging to go for today. My brother's girlfriend mom died. We told him that we were going to go to the grave digging and bring some stuff, so waiting on mommy to come back with that. And like my time is dwindling down. I have not been vlogging that much, but we're just chilling here with the kids and stuff like that. Yeah. And some adults. Sorry. Sam, come say hi to my vlog. I have not been vlogging since you've been here. Hi, Sammy.
She's lying. She's not chilling with no kids.
Who am I chill with?
She chill with her.
You should chill.
That's a lie, ain't it? Guys, the place. Why couldn't I go it today? You could go away like one day on Regana Beach or something. Like I'm hot. And today, huh?
Now you make him say something.
Just something.
You don't know a chick over Portland celebrity.
Come, we are running something. We are running guys so bad me.
Alright, come.
Pam 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 pam. Come on, I joke about it. Yo, crap man. Yo, crap man.
Guys, me don't know what I want. Like honestly, me don't know what I want. I'm just as confused as y'all probably watching this video right now.
Check out.
Me don't know what am I doing.
Pam 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 pam.
In take 2.
Pam pam. No, 2 step.
Take 3.
Pam pam pam.
Kill and collect, smoke and forget, and when the body is dead, now you're outside.
If I dirt, I dirt.
No joke.
Outside.
About 6.
6 years all the time for that.
I like that, fam. I like that.
Say them mother I must say Dana van.
Relax the man.
You gotta read my
Yeah. Wanna start him up. And there you have it, people. Pom pom pom.
Pam pam.
Gotta go finger play the bad now. Check out me get this sound.
Yeah, we need to do one.
Alright, you ready? Alright.
Hey, we should both see the finger playing there.
You start. You start.
Pam 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 pam
Pam pam pam.
Come here, the good. Yeah.
Well,
Well, I don't know if you give me one intro for my vlog. How about that?
Welcome to my chip shadow.
Bright as day.
Bright as day one. Is it?
Yeah.
No joke.
We out. Give me my intro.
go on to yourself first.
Ciao. Me not like that thumbnail on my intro.
Where is it name again? Pam 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 pam.
Me not like that thumbnail.
Pam pam pam. You know my sister name Bright as Day. Just go over there, go subscribe and like. I don't know anything. Pam pam pam.
Watch out. We are playing ABC Fast and Score to say. So if you say one boy name too?
Yeah.
You have to ask me first, you know.
I three away.
Yeah.
Oh, me think me just be ask you.
Start off.
Ready?
Ready?
Yeah.
ABC, fast as go.
Fast.
Start. Stop.
T.
Bomba to you reach T.
Boy.
Tommy.
Tevin.
Phoebe.
Girl.
Tamia.
Tamika.
Teresa.
Oh, Ting.
Eh?
Ting.
Animal.
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 Yeah.
An animal.
A tiger.
Tiger.
The tiger me say. Tiger me say. Go on.
Two.
No. Go on shop.
No, but me don't say tiger.
Turtle.
Yeah.
Fabi. Fabi.
Tadpole.
Yeah.
Ting. Ting.
Sing.
Please.
Please.
Toronto.
It's not going to hard, I know. You know, it's not going to
Yeah, in my thing. In my eating time.
Yo, relax, huh?
Alright.
Timbambo.
Alright, no thing.
Thing?
No, food. Food on the food. Food.
Food?
Tomato.
No tomato?
Tea biscuit.
Come, Fabi. 5 seconds. 4, 3, 2, 1. No, you're 0.
Oh, stop.
0.
Hold on. What we have go first? Boy, girl, then what?
Animal, place, food, thing.
That's my tongue.
Yeah.
Ready?
Give me a name.
Me say boy, girl, I'm gonna give you. Say hi to Audrey.
Hello, Audrey. Auntie R.
Audrey Kenton.
I'm Audrey. Where you come from?
Go and move.
So you don't come to me this morning? Eh? Me tell her to come last night though. Come tomorrow morning.
Ready?
Alright. Alright, ABC fast or slow?
Let me ask you. ABC fast or slow?
Fast.
Start. Stop.
F.
Boy.
Fendi.
Fabian.
Magic.
Girl.
Fabia. Fabia. You know silly. Oh. Go on.
Fendi. Federica.
Animal.
Foul.
Animal shop. 5,
Frog.
4.
No, only by say 2 answer.
Eh?
Go
Only
on.
by say 2 answer.
Go on.
I give one 3.
Frank.
You can't say frog.
Pass. Alright. Animal. Place.
Foreign.
5,
Foreign, remember?
Foreign.
4,
May I ask?
Shade, foreign.
3. That no come. 5 no come.
Me never know something at all.
Yeah, so you go you, then you.
France.
Yeah.
You're not lose already.
No, Liverpool.
I'm going order. 1, 2, 3.
France.
3. Oh boy, I know a place, man.
Franklin Town.
Yeah. Food. Yeah.
Frog. But on man. Frog.
5, 4.
Festival.
I think.
Me?
Yeah. 5, 4,
Do something big.
3, 2.
Far.
Alright.
Feather. Guys. Think of them.
5, 4, 3. F, hubby. Everything will start with F. What? Alright, sharp turn for Axe.
ABC.
Axe Fabi.
ABC fast also. Fast. Start. Stop. G.
G?
Yeah.
I am move fast? I'm not ask you move slow then. Alright, so you go you, then Fabi. Whoever go last. Alright. So boy.
What is it?
G.
G.
DJ.
Huh?
DJ, yeah. Crash.
George Pong.
Greg.
Girl.
Georgina. Jesus Christ.
5.
Gloria.
Grace.
Animal.
Good.
Gorilla.
Tinil.
Yeah.
Alright, place. 5, 4.
Please.
3.
Georgetown.
Gitlo.
Why you talking?
Brother, one place name sir. One place name sir. Oh, Google it right now. What in there come up?
No.
Guy, it's just a second. Get no brother.
Already up again.
Place food.
How the G?
Mm-hmm.
Good.
Huh?
Animal that club.
Good the food.
No.
No, like a food.
Papa, the man. Come now.
5, 4.
Stop telling.
Alright. 5,
Your time.
4.
Grapefruit.
Guava.
You pin them a kilo no man. Alright, what was that? Food? Thing.
With G.
5.
Ganja.
Game.
Alright. Now Fabi. Oh, check out.
ABC fast or slow.
Fast.
Start.
So now I like go slow.
Z.
Yeah, there is no Z. There is no Z. No Z.
No, don't carry it already. ABC fast or slow.
Fast.
Start. Stop.
P.
P. Alright.
Alright. So you go 1, 2, 3.
Orange.
Boy.
Fast.
Patrick. Pumpkin.
Girl.
Patricia.
Pumpkin. What?
Animal.
Me?
Yeah.
Puss. Cat.
5, 4,
Pichier. Animal.
5.
Pigeon.
Alright. Place.
Panama.
Portland.
5, 4, 3. Alright, place. The food.
Food.
Yeah. Alright.
Potato. Plum.
Alright. Thing.
Something nice, no.
5.
Pin.
5.
Pot. Pen.
Alright. Whose turn now?
Them
Back
done
to you.
already?
Yeah. That was wrong.
You don't tell him here. You don't tell him.
I'm gonna tell him. Let's see. Win all.
ABC
Win this.
Anyone know if none of them talk? Ready? ABC pass as go.
Fast.
Stop at G.
Stop.
Z.
You don't read Z.
Let's say A, B, C, D, E, F, G.
Ready?
Z. You don't read Z. You don't read Z. Come on.
I come. Ready?
Alright, Z. Y'all work with Z?
Anything.
Alright, boy.
Zandrian.
Zidane. Xavier.
Xavier is X. Don't you?
Zeran.
Alright, girl.
Zava.
Zoanda.
Zoe.
Zena.
Alright, animal.
Zebra.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1. 5, 4, 3.
Zlatan. Brother, we are animal now. So we are animal.
Place.
Zimbabwe.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Zion.
Alright. I don't know, please. Food. Food.
Don't tell him Timmy.
Zinger.
Ah! Ah! Yes, Chef.
So far.
Can't think. 5. Fast. Alright, what would I know to Neil?
We up done.
Food. We love girl, we love gun. Ting.
What's the thing already? Zinc.
Zinc.
Let Karen come back.
Current.
Zinc. Just up nothing.
Ting.
Mike, you know, so nobody about this thing this now.
Eh.
Stop that.
So guys, the game switch now, you know. Now we just play ABC passes, now we play the rhyming game. So one person say one word and you have to rhyme with something like that. So let's go. Who will start?
Me.
Alright?
Outside.
Inside.
Amos.
No, the opposite.
Outside, inside.
Side.
Backside.
Alongside. I don't know. Alright, Shab.
Blood.
Flat.
Hey, and I come to my team, I'm like, what rhyme with that? Come, Fabi. Blood. Sword.
Rum.
No, as a matter of time. You are ready.
Cloud.
Cloud?
Loud.
Yeah, boy.
Proud.
Proud.
Road.
Proud.
Alright, give me something easy, Fabi.
Boom.
Huh?
Yeah, boom.
Boom.
Shakalaka.
That's how clear sweet to black.
Me? Room.
Rum.
Rum.
Take it to them. Ram.
Room going rum.
Rum, jokey.
Alright, my word no. Maybe something easy. Hot.
Pot.
Mat.
Cat.
These girls are fat.
Heavy. Wait, why are rum?
Give me that. Why are rum drink all over bicycle? 5, 4.
No, you have to make me think.
5.
Why a rum drink I love ride a bicycle?
3, 2.
Can I never drop off?
Because you have a bar.
Oh. Remember this, remember that.
You give me this, you give me that.
I was given
2
one.
trees at 6, 3 hours. 1 forest, small woodland. Small woodland.
I mean, close to the world before you.
You don't say 18.
No, we didn't say 2.
Alright, read me this. What gets wetter as the more it dries?
Sponge.
What
But get wetter.
Nope. The more it dries. Nope.
Towel.
Yeah, a towel. Yeah.
2 river, 2.
2 river with a rum. Me, don't you?
Wow, 2 bunker.
River, you say your answer. No. What? Yeah.
That was this one easy. What run? What stiff? And what disappear?
What? Wait, what? What run?
One go by, one run, one tell about disappear. Puppies and shit. Puppies and shit.
No.
Always getting covered, always get personal.
No, me not get it.
Hey, one night here.
She said 3 man go by. One disappear, one stand up. And one run. Keep you on a poop disappear.
Oh. What fight?
Don't.
Say it again.
We go to swim with that father of a brown and white donkey. Every drive, me drop down.
That's all that.
Cigarette.
Yeah.
A cigarette?
Me know.
Merry-go.
I never come down.
The age smoke.
Human being. What? Bird.
Bird come down.
Plane.
No age. And smoke.
Oh, wiggle me this, wiggle me that. We're gonna freeze hot and
Pepper.
Oh.
We go to swim with that. Ella top, Ella bottom, hallelujah, and amen.
Pudding.
Bombard.
Yeah.
Yeah, you would. White touch and show back.
What?
But you're stringing an eagle. You're stringing an eagle, yeah.
Remember that.
Remember that. Why is that river rich?
Because they are rich man.
Because you have 2 banks.
Give me that. Yeah, open front door and back door now.
Matches box.
Alright.
Recommend chicken catch.
Look at that. I have 4 wheel and fly. It have 4 wheel and fly.
Plane.
Oh, rubbish truck.
Recommend chicken with that. Water run and donkey stand up.
Me know that one, yeah.
Water run.
Me know that one, yeah.
Mess up! Water run and who stand up? I won't say it. Kids are here. Oh my god. That sound like him, man.
Wait, I don't get it.
Water run and donkey stand up. No more food. Speaking in hieroglyphic and Slavonic, every atom get a tonic, every morning get bionic.
Yes, sir.
Yes, you say no, who's singing? No cartel.
Who sing this? Zongo.
Zongo zang, yellow man. Hey, man.
I'm telling you, I'm going to sing. I'm going to say soca, I have to sing and soca.
You say dancer, you sing a dancer. You say soul, you sing a soul. You say gospel, you sing a
But you have to tell me which song though. I have to tell you which song you sing. Soca.
What? Worship again. Souls.
Souls?
Yeah.
Oh God. What a boys to man the name again? You don't know Souls?
Although we've come
Fast.
to... You don't know Souls?
I don't know them by them words.
With that sin.
You don't know no Souls?
So what you listen?
Sing one Souls, Fabi.
If you sing for this, your YouTube channel that down.
You? Reggae.
I new reggae.
It's.
It's new reggae. Two.
What's the man
Yeah, we are coming in that.
Hey.
Let's see how you call it. Yeah, I'm bored.
Oi.
I'm giving you next again. New reggae too. Next. That I like reggae dance. I like good dance. Me no just fool, me no just, me no like it. Picture hang around, says it more, now I'm wife.
No, say no, right?
Just be a like, be all over, take a lap, build me psyche.
It's on now.
You done now? Don't sing too much better, we can't.
Nah. Both one line. How we sang that?
Unconditional.
Ah.
Yeah. Queen Africa.
Queen Africa.
Daddy don't.
We think you don't sing below the waist, you know.
So guys, see you until then.
Real G, stay true to them day ones. Stay true to them day ones.